Hi everybody, I'm Dave Andresen. This is my 1972 deTomaso Pantera. I just want to look forward to seeing everybody at the Concours in the Hills, February 4th at Fountain Hills, Arizona for the Phoenix Children's Hospital. You're going to love it. It's going to be great and look forward to seeing you there. Can't believe it. You look at this car, the beauty, the lines on this car, and you can't imagine that this thing is over 50 years old right now. This is amazing. I just want to say thank you also to Peter and the Phoenix Children's Hospital because of what they're doing for the children and the people and how they bring cars and people and children and help them all out. It's just fantastic.